Welcome to this edition of ABI's Quick Bit video series. I'm here with Emily Bruner. She's with AFR. They provide holistic risk management services for companies all over the country. Healthcare reform, awful topic. People hate to even think about what's next. I hear there's some things coming in 2014 that are really going to change what's going on. Can you help our employers kind of get a grasp on what to expect?
Sure. You know, Lisa, 2014, that's the biggest year for healthcare reform because that's the year that the mandate is in place. And what that mandate means is basically, as required by law in 2014, every U.S. citizen must have coverage, health insurance coverage, or else they will end up paying a tax or penalty. So that penalty the first year could be as low as $95 up to $2,500 based on their, basically on their income is all it's based on. So pretty interesting how that'll be reported. Obviously the IRS is going to be amping up their services, if you can call them that. But along with that individual mandate, it's also a requirement now that employers that have more than 50 full-time employees have to provide health insurance coverage, not only just coverage, but efficient or essential coverage that the government basically decides whether it's sufficient or not.
Oh, wow.
And if employers are not providing coverage, there will be a penalty that they will pay. And so in 2014, well, actually next year, employers are going to have to look at, you know, what's the cost benefit of providing the benefits, or am I better off paying the penalty? It's really going to be an issue in the coming year.
Wow.
So the 2014 mandate, you know, with the elections coming up here in November, it's still a volatile subject. Obviously, the Republicans have already decided that they're going to try to repeal that. And if there's any changes in the White House, we'll see. I believe that a lot of things will probably stay intact that have already been implemented.
It'd be hard to unravel it all.
Exactly, because we're already paying for it.
Well, thank you so much for that information, and there will be more to come. Please do count on ABI and AFR to provide you updates as this progresses and changes, because I'm sure it will.
Yes.
So thank you for being here, Emily. AFR is part of ABI's Advisory Council, and they are out there every day trying to provide resources for business and industry in the state of Iowa. So thanks for being here.